How to fix invite collaborator not showing on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, when you want to post stuff on Instagram, it does give you the option to invite collaborators, as I will show you right here. As you can see, this invite collaborators option allows you to kind of invite people that are collaborating on your video, which you can add just like this. However, for some reason, there are some people that do have this feature while others don't. They only have the add tag. Now, how can you fix this missing option, and how can you enable it if it's not showing? Now, the first thing that you need to do is you need to update your Instagram app to the latest version and see if that works. If it doesn't, keep in mind that this is a new feature that Instagram is slowly rolling out to more and more accounts, and eventually everyone will have it. Now, if you are not a patient person and you cannot wait, then what you can do is you need to just, let's go back. You need to head over to your profile page right here, and once you are on this page, you need to access your settings section by clicking on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings and privacy. And essentially what we will try to do is we will try to contact and reach out to the Instagram support team and asking them to enable this feature in our account for whatever reason. I will show you how to do this step by step. It's actually very easy and simple process. So once you're here, scroll all the way down to the info and support section, and from there click on help, then click on report problem, click report problem again, then click include and continue. And on this page right here, we will be reaching out and messaging the Instagram support team and asking them to activate this feature on our account, and make sure to explain it well and give them your specific reasons, to each person his own reasons. Say for example that this feature is important for your marketing strategy, or it's important for your audience, or is something crucial for your brand, whatever reason. And you can even include a screenshot of the previous page where the missing feature shows. And once you are done, and you need to click on the send button at the top right corner, and after a while, I don't know how long it will take, maybe it will take a few business days, it's different for everyone, they should reach out to you to solve your problem, hopefully. And unfortunately, this is the only thing that you can do right now besides waiting. And if this does not work for you, then all what you have to do is just wait, and eventually you'll get the feature, just like any new feature or any new app. This is how things works. So I hope that this video has been helpful. That's how you can bring and activate and enable the invite collaborator option if it's missing on your account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.